Are you looking for a simple, natural DIY hand soap that won't leave your skin feeling dry or cracked? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural foaming hand soap with simple ingredients. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified every time I add a new video. You're also going to want to stick around to the end because I have a free green cleaning guide that's loaded with recipes to help you clean your home in a natural and safe way. I've been using essential oils and natural homemade cleaning products in my house for over 5 years now. I am a mom of 5 kids and understand the value of washing your hands and using natural products. I've tried several recipes over the years and I have found that this foaming hand soap to be the best. So for this recipe, you just need a few ingredients. Your first is Castile soap. So you're going to want an unscented Castile soap because you don't want it to interfere with the smell of the essential oils. The next ingredient that you're going to need is a fractionated coconut oil. You're going to need fractionated coconut oil, which is going to help add the moisturizing properties to the soap. If you don't have fractionated coconut oil, which is the liquid version of coconut oil, this is the one that dōTERRA sells. I choose it because of its purity. You could also get an over-the-counter cooking coconut oil. So you would want it in liquid form so that way it doesn't solidify when the temperature changes. And this is a food grade cooking oil. You're also going to need your favorite essential oils. Today we're going to use dōTERRA's On Guard and dōTERRA's Wild Orange. Then you're going to need a foaming soap dispenser as well as some water and a measuring cup and a tablespoon measuring spoon. Okay, to begin, you're just going to want to add the water to your foaming soap dispenser. And you want to add the water first so that way when you add the soap, it doesn't create foamy bubbles everywhere. So just add about 3/4 of the way. You're going to want to leave room for the rest of your ingredients as well as for the foaming soap dispenser mechanism because that's going to kind of add some volume in there. So start with your water and then you're going to do your Castile soap. We just do 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. Pour directly in there. There's 1. And there's 2. Okay, next we're going to add the coconut oil, our moisturizing agent. So you're just going to do 1 tablespoon of that and add it right into your soap dispenser. And then today, like I said, I chose to use On Guard and Wild Orange. Guard has lots of great cleansing properties as well as protective properties that are antifungal, antiviral, just kind of help keep your hands clean. And then I also love the smell of Wild Orange, so I like to add both. Now I just went ahead and added 5 drops of the On Guard and I'm going to do about 2 or 3 drops of the Wild Orange. Okay, that's it. Then you're just going to add your soap dispenser. And if you find that, you can see mine has a little bit extra space, you can always add more water if you want to. Then next you're just going to shake it up, give it a good shake. Now because these are natural products and oil and water don't always mix very well, when you combine the soap into it, it helps those to kind of blend together better. However, you might notice over time that it does kind of separate a little bit. When that happens, just give it a good little shake. So that's it. You've made your foaming hand soap. This is ready to clean and sanitize your hands. There you go. You can see you've got the nice foamy suds there. So that's so simple and easy to use. I like to add these to my bathrooms, to my kitchen. You can add all kinds of different scents and smells. I like to do peppermint and eucalyptus. When we're more in the spring or summertime, I like to add some of the citrus smells or the floral smells. dōTERRA makes a great blend called Citrus Bloom, which smells absolutely amazing. It combines florals and citruses all together. I'll go ahead and add those in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to learn more about my other DIY recipes and my natural cleaning products, be sure to click the subscribe button and click on the bell so you'll be notified every single time I add a new video. As promised, I'm going to show you how to download my free green cleaning guide. Just simply click at the bottom of this video. There is a link that says download green cleaning guide. Click that and it will direct you to the website that will give you access to the green cleaning guide. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.